New tonight, defense lawyers say a bill at the State House would make it harder to defend innocent clients.
KCCI's Kayla James is here now with what this bill entails. Kayla?
Well, Ben, Stacy, the bill looks to prevent criminal defense lawyers from using evidence from subpoenas unless they go through the court. The court would only grant the application if the defense proves first that the evidence is necessary and admissible at trial and that the evidence does not include private information except for the defendant. Let's give an example. Last month, prosecutors asked for a sports betting case to be dropped against 4 Iowa State athletes. It came after the defense found new information through subpoenas to a geo-tracking software company. An open records request showed the Iowa DCI misused that software used to implicate athletes. Lawyers accused the DCI of withholding evidence in the case. Prosecutors then dropped the case. Under this bill, that evidence might not be accepted because the court wasn't involved in the subpoena process. Alfredo Parrish is a prominent criminal defense attorney in Des Moines. He says this bill would hurt a lot of people in underserved communities and give prosecutors more power.
They're going to know this information will help the defense. They're not going to share it because they want to keep this imbalance. And as long as you have this imbalance within the criminal justice system, a lot of innocent people are going to be convicted.
He also refutes lawmakers' arguments that the bill would prevent private information from being accessed by defense lawyers.
That's a false premise because the defense lawyer will have their request narrowed down to just this incident or just this information. And unfortunately, somehow that message is not getting to the legislators.
Republican Senator Dan Dawson is the bill's floor manager. He's also a special agent with the Iowa DCI who defended its use of geofencing in the sports betting investigation. He declined to comment on the bill. Iowa Attorney General Brenna Bird proposed the bill. Her office says it gives prosecutors the tools to protect victims, officers, and witnesses from invasive investigations. House leadership says there are no plans to advance the bill tomorrow and that it would need to be moved to the unfinished business calendar to survive Friday's final deadline.